Table module function introduction, create table. Draw table. This command is used to create a table, including text content. Click the Draw Table function when selecting blank header for the table header. Total rows and other parameters can be selected from the drop-down list. When column table is selected, only the total number of rows can be edited. All other parameters are fixed. After the table parameters are set, click OK. The table editing functions and forms are very similar to Excel. The Alt+Enter key combination allows text wrapping within a single cell. The toolbar at the top of the table includes all table command operations. After the table content is configured, click OK and specify the insertion point. Table drawing completed. Edit table. This command is used to modify the content of table text and alignment methods. Click the Edit Table function. Select the table to edit, then right-click to confirm. In the dialog box, you can perform editing and modification operations on the data within the table. After table content editing is finished, click OK and specify the insertion point. Table editing completed. Import Excel. This command is used to import star.xls files. It allows you to import the content of Excel tables for reference and editing. Click the Import Excel function. Locate the Excel table you need to import. Click the Open button. The selected table will appear in the dialog box for editing. After table content editing is finished, click OK and specify the insertion point. Excel table import completed. Export to Excel. This command is used to export tables from ZWCAD to Excel. Click the Export to Excel function. Select the table to export, then right-click to confirm. And Save as dialog box pops up. Click Save. And the program will save the selected table to the specified Excel file. Export to Excel completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.